back in the tree stand. This is our last evening hunt of the 2010 October muzzleloading season. On our way out, we did see a really nice 6-point. It means the deer are already moving. We've seen some big bucks here, but it's not till right at dark. And so, if they're already moving, maybe we'll have a chance of getting those big boys to come in the camera light, so we can hopefully get one on film for you guys. So, stay tuned in. It may be a real interesting hunt tonight. Well, Josh just shot a buck. He said it's a 10-point, but we're going to go ahead and set it out in the stand. He didn't have a camera with him tonight, so we won't have the shot on video. But here, after we're done hunting, once it gets dark, we're going to go see his buck and let you guys take a look at it as well. So stay tuned in. You'll get to see a buck. Okay, let's see Bambi. Oh, it's not bad. That's pretty nice. You already have him gutted? Yeah. Nice. I don't look at the flag.
Ready? I'm doing it again.
Come on. Alright, so I'm heading back out to the 30 acres. I'm going to set up a ground blind tonight. The property we're hunting, it's a pretty hard piece of property to hunt just because there's so many deer. I mean, at one time you can have 20 deer come up, and that's 20 pairs of eyes watching you, so it can get pretty hard to get situated and get a bow drawn back without being spotted. And so we asked the landowner if we could hang up deer stands. She's an older lady, she's just against deer stands for some reason, and so I'm going to go in tonight and make a real good blind, because we've been busted so many times, and we missed a doe a few weeks ago, and we're hoping to thin some of the does out around there. So I'm heading out tonight. I'll make a real nice blind, and then Saturday morning hopefully we'll stick a doe, and if not that, maybe a big buck will come by. We'll just have to see. Hopefully we'll see some buck sign tonight. They're starting to rut, and so it should be a pretty interesting hunt all the way around. But tonight, gotta do the work, and we'll have about 2 days, kind of let it settle down that area again. We'll sneak in there early in the morning Saturday. Alright, stay tuned in. They aren't huge around here.
So we got it done today. We smoked a doe this morning. We had 3 does come up early this morning. They busted us, but we knew if we just stuck it out that we'd have more deer come through. We're just in a perfect funnel area here. It wasn't too much longer, and we had these 2 does kind of sneak in, and she got within about 13-15 yards of us, and I tried to grunt her to stop. She wouldn't stop, so I went ahead and took the shot, and when I took a shot, she took another step, so I hit her a little far back, followed up with another shot, so she didn't go very far. She went about 15 yards, and that muzzy broadhead just tore her completely up. And so, I mean, anybody can follow that blood trail. It's like a blood carpet going back that way. So, it was fun. Josh and I got it done, got it on video this time, and so you can bet we'll be out here looking for a big old buck or another doe. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun being out there with Josh. So, it's different when you get a cameraman and you in a ground blind at eye level and having deer walking in at 13 yards. You know, you spook a few, but we ended up getting it done. So it was a good time, and I hope you guys tune in for more videos. And as always, have a better than average day. But I hope your hunting season is going great this year. Worm! Like an inchworm crawling on my shoulder. I went to wipe my mouth, and I about ate the sucker. Sick. All right. So we got it done today for the
It's pretty cold, that's what it is.
I'm going to videotape you so I can hear you complain.
Can
they hear you complain?
Yeah, they can hear me
Okay.
I'm not complaining. It's not my fault it's cold.
Fingers are cold. Toes